Morning. It's another day up in Canada working on the Ferrari 458. Yesterday worked on the dismantling of the vehicle. Some of the video will have missed a few portions. Basically just took my time, disconnected all those snaps on the back side, got the wiring harness out. Then I put the door back together. Went pretty well, but I have a little bit of bad news, and let's go over what I did. Okay, so here's the door. Everything works fine on it. Everything went into place. Just took my time, fed all the wires through this side, kept what was needed over here, put what was needed over here, and I just followed along. All the plastic snaps on the inside basically lined up exactly with the little piece, the screw ends, and they all just snapped on quite easily. Everything snapped here. And again, I took a picture prior to dismantling. Definitely helped figure out where everything went. The only thing inside here on the back side of the outer door handle, there's a piece of metal that goes up and down, and it has a little circle there. So from this mechanism, your cable goes up, and then there's a little plastic snap that goes into that hole. I had a hard time figuring out where that went, and definitely focus on when the one cable that's wrapped in foam, it kind of goes and loops around. Take pictures or document somehow where that snaps into, because there's a lot of holes in there, but they don't all apply to that piece. So just take note where you snap them out, and you'll get it back correctly. Yeah, other than that, everything works. The one bad thing I noticed is when I got this door, didn't realize that my door is slightly different here. In my door, this little area here is recessed, and it has a little round cylinder that screws in. Now this door, now that I focus on it, I do notice some doors are different than others on eBay. And I did not notice. Of course, I didn't have the car with me until I was ordering, so lesson learned. Everything does work, but this little cylinder, I'm not too sure what it's for, but it seems to line up with this here. So like my light still comes on when I open and close the door. So a couple choices. It's gonna bug me. Either I take this little area out of that door, and when I get some welding done, get them to weld that into place, or eventually replace this door with another one that has that piece. That I'm gonna kind of float until the project is done and see if the budget allows it. If not, I'll go with the route of fabricating that little area. So I'll show you on the old door what I'm talking about. So here's the door with the recessed little area. The little cylinder piece I have screwed out. I'm not too sure where it is. Hopefully it shows up. It is somewhere, but yeah, so my option would be to cut this out and have it re-welded into the other door. I'd have to talk to the welder to see what the ability is on that. Anything is possible if you find the right person, and then just grind down the weld, sand it, paint it, and then of course the weather stripping does go over that, but I think you could actually clean it up quite well. Just for all that effort, is it worthwhile just getting another door? So we'll play that by ear and kind of down the road when the car's almost done. Easy to change out a door if need be later on. Thanks for watching part 2 of the door install. It was a little bit shorter. There wasn't much to go over. We are making progress on the car, but Dominic and I just wanted to take an opportunity to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed already.
Yep.
We have
42 subscribers.
42 subscribers to date, which is better than we had a month ago.
Yeah.
So we are looking forward to continuing the process. As you can tell, the shop has a few cars in it. We have a Range Rover Evoque, which we did a small little YouTube channel on, but it was a rebuilt from Edmonton at Copart. We bought that, and now it's a daily driver. It's parked for the summer. So that's a quick glimpse of the shop. There's a few other vehicles, a truck that we use every day, and my old 2008 supercharged Range Rover, which is just something that we probably will need to get rid of, but I'm just slowly trying to figure out some air suspension issues and going forward with that. Definitely have to make some space, but right now the Ferrari is our focus. Just kind of wanted to show you the day in life of the the garage that we have up in Canada, and how full it is.
Yeah.
You can barely move right now.
No, not at all.
So anyway, we'll see you next time. Again, thanks for subscribing,
Yeah.
and be patient with us. The videos hopefully will get a little bit better with this gimbal, and we'll see you next time.